Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
For me, ma wo akwaba krese e de ba Too Much GH den so mesical ba ko pe na me de ensem a egitre ne wo man mu e be so mo na etiefo yenim se Ghana de sebe binum concert party yende papa ene sen Ghana ha unim kasa chese utimi hihye nyoma no nyoma meken utimi dress ewa pampan so na udija pictures to Instagram the two page ni sa na chese wada ni superstar na same thing say yenim se short video TikTok bia ba chese ba dudona mbe brudona de won mu jim na ya ba kwa ni din de Peggy Lante a won no so o hwehwe TikTok sa chese wode ne waji mu papa se Ghana for to say TikToks superstar and TikTok star etiefo we ni se bebru so de wo ya de bi na wo start G2 mana se wo mu so mu din trend kakabia no ma start de nyoma foforo bi eba betu ja na etiefo ka se abaywa Peggy Lamte etiefo no akwakofa ba nsem bi odi abetu ja na etiefo ne nsem odi tu ja ne se wo no sex what means not say like without sex na dudona perception mo woni say akasefo de wo mbo adwuma wo nim skills wo ntimi wo nya active just wo ya kwadfo ne so no nin some of the betu jan say there bio share we dey try native for nin some kan there I just say wo ko share video ni yo share.
You know, we are different. When we go out, we stand out, you know. Like, imagine a slim girl who wears shorts and then, like, tank top. And then me, if I wear shorts and tank top, who would they look at? It's not me. Because look at the body. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at. Hey! And then look at. There is difference because, hey, the body I'm holding and the body that this slim girl is holding. And it's not like, people like doing this thing. They say we are not strong. Who told you? Let's go to bed. You will see. Especially me. I'm not drying my mouth. I'm serious. Some of us, we are strong. When we do you, and then we will do you and then you feel. We can do all the styles. So, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I like sex. So like if I don't have it like in a week, I don't know, I can't. So that's the only option. I have to jump and go to Kaneshie, from Central Region to Kaneshie, to go and be small and then come back to school. I have a boyfriend, but if you want me, you don't hesitate. You can just let me know. And baby, I love you. Don't get worried. My boyfriend is good in bed, bro. The guy can eat me. I like my boyfriend, like, you know, like we are young, understand. But then my sugar daddy, who doesn't have a sugar daddy? This mother, the way I cry, she's the only sugar daddy. Kopebio, I have a sugar daddy. He's married, you know, he has kids. When me too, I grow up, though, that's my husband. Whether you like it or not, though, that's your husband. So me, I'm also going with the flow. He just takes care of me, that's all. But my boyfriend takes care of me, oh. But then, like, yeah, we are nice. We don't get bored though. The sex there, Charlie. I like it from like romance, then you know we get into it, you know. Hey, right there. Sorry. I just like sex, that's all. Everyone likes sex, so I like doggy. That one, when you are doing it, it goes inside you. Doggy. Not like the proper style, though. Not the one that you just do your buttocks like the one that you go down like this. Then the buttocks like this.
Episode for wait dear. Say ya na call no. Mbebru no. So one year a dear bina say, Koba say, 1 year a year followers, Kakabia, not just say, ajegon a pasca na wo start ye nyo me bia e be ba mo a trending na ye nim say yes an ye we de ye hu mo ga na ha bebre sugar titi mu nyina e wo ho na afen so dodo na wo wa ye ka say bi mu kra kwa awawe mu no na wo mo ne ye previous suban bi say ya no ato wo mo sinti dua da ne dam gusu yi anu a wo mo nyi wie da eno de wo kopagya pe wo say ne past so na esiye si wo mo say the city and say for ni ye bi say no aya na wo ya enne no de wo nya so ba o kire bi asem nti no wo kasa na te say wo mu nyoma wo kan ne nsem a wo kan na ni say the city bia na e ko pass a video asem wo ye bibi na ye video so we say nya de bi e be free system nim because a video say na wo delete a wo kire bi video wo keep e de twen wo na wo share sa ni ye we ya balwa we aya na eden na free mu e de brand papa ana say e bone oye for fame say wo be gini din ade ye ni mu say oye TikToks start that oye say wo be gini din wo ka bibi ama hwefo ahwe no na ni din enda ana say no kra na wo kan na say no kra so a eden so na wo so because you tie ne kase mu a wo kan ya ka say sugar daddy ye na coronavirus wey mu who be fa boyfriend na who the sugar daddy na say wo there the boyfriend na say wo there the sugar daddy na say wo tufu na funi na say sugar daddy so say den ya wo ba wo ware a baby beba betare wonti wo no kotare obi de ho a etefo osusu say there be enye bone na ni na mu no susu say ni nsem bi a wo kan ye no sa na tie obi betare obi de wonti kotare obi ni obi kunwu ana na ni so obi kunwu mu de wo kotare ho a physical kroba ni nya wo nja wo obetimi abopa ye de asibegu so obi ebi ye widifo a wo mu fa bone nche na wadwe wada adwe ho ena obi kru so ukotare ho enya odia na ochine bi na ye den ya enya odia so ebe free on sane be wakote ahwe ni domu na se na city bi atimu se ne nsem kan no ebi be support na afen so den ya ebi mu so be wo wa wo mo de wo mo support kwatoka na wo so mi susu se wo so wa adwenche to your comment section of family afi subscribe to Tuma GH every day kasi se na be di dwede bi atumu a amumu wa na nso nsa etumi akabi na etumi achewa na fe wa like a share promote channel we MSC count am digital we be so mo na se ne be sa ehia makwa.